AI is transforming every industry, and data science is at the center of it. But here's the big question. Is AI automation replacing data science jobs or redefining them? AI tools can automate most of the data science tasks. Tasks that once took hours can now be done in minutes. But automation has limits. AI doesn't truly understand business context, doesn't define the right problem, and doesn't take accountability for decisions, leaving enough room for human oversight and intervention. The next generation of data scientists will use AI as a co-pilot, improving workflows and delivering smarter insights. We're already seeing new roles emerge that focus not just on models, but on deploying, governing, and scaling AI responsibly. To stay ahead, professionals must build AI literacy, as technical skills alone won't be enough. Gain essential skills to future-proof your career with the best data science certification from the United States Data Science Institute. Enroll today.